There are several keywords that indicate the different operations, and we are going to go through them now. So for addition, some words that indicate using addition in an expression would be add, more, sum, total of, and, altogether, increased by, combined, plus, together, and in all. Okay, so all of those words indicate that you are going to put an addition sign in your expression. For subtraction, we have decreased by, take away, subtract, less than, which is a turnaround phrase, and we'll talk about that soon. From, another turnaround phrase. Minus, shared, difference, fewer, and gave. Now, shared is going to indicate another operation, so it really depends on the situation here. So shared would mean subtraction if it was like, I had 2 pencils and I shared one with Bob. Okay, that would be subtraction. For multiplication, we have of, per, multiplied by, product, multiple, twice, which means 2 times, double, again, means 2 times, triple means 3 times, and times. For division, we have divided into, split, quotient, half, which means to divide by 2. When you cut something in half, you're dividing it in 2. Divisor, percent, shared, per, divided by, and ratio of. So again, for division, shared can mean subtraction or division. It just depends on the situation. For division, it would be something like, I have 10 cookies and I'm sharing it with my 2 friends. So that would be splitting it up into equal groups. And for per, it's both multiplication or division, so it depends on the situation again. An example for multiplication is, I make $8 per hour. I work 5 hours. How much money do I make? That would be 5 times 8, which is 40. But for division, it would be something like, if I drive at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour and I have to drive 300 miles, how long will it take me? That would be 300 divided by 60. Now, equals means an equation. So other than equal to or equals, here are some words that indicate this is an equation. Are, sold for, were, was, yields, will be, totals, and is. The word is will be the most common word when we are translating phrases into expressions. If there's is, it indicates it's no longer an expression, but an equation. So parentheses words, these indicate that you have a grouping. You need to separate it from everything else. The sum of, the difference of, the quantity of, the blank of. That blank would also be quotient of or the product of. Those that phrase, the something of, indicates that you're going to have to use parentheses to separate it and group it differently than everything else in the phrase. And turnaround words are than and from. So what the turnaround words mean, it just means that we are changing the way that it's written. When we see these phrases, it's literally going to be 4 plus a number. So you write the number 4, you write the addition sign, and then any variable you want for the number. If it says than or from instead of 4 coming first, it switches the order. So if I say 4 minus a number, that would be 4, subtraction symbol, and a variable. If I say 4 less than or 4 subtracted from a number, the than and the from switches it so that x comes first. So it'd be x, the subtraction sign, and then 4.